Motorola launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under G series in India called Moto G96. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G96 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curved POLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. And the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 16 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of optics, the Moto G96 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's Lisha 700C sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5,500 mAh battery, with 33 watts turbo power charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.86 by 73.26 by 7.93 millimeters, and it weighs around 178 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G95 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 16th, in Ashley Blue, Dresden Blue, Cattleya Orchid, and Greener Pastures color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G95 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.